And andyan na po. Diyan na si Kitty. Ayun po si Kitty. Ayan na. Ayan siya. Palabas na po si Kitty.
Welcome back to the Netherlands.
Hi!
Can we?
How's tatay? Healthier than you expected, huh? Oh,
Can we interview you for a bit? Yes.
okay.
Anong,
Just quickly lang.
He's healthier than I expected, and he's doing well. He was very cheerful to see me, and
Of course. Apple of his eyes.
He sends his warm regards to everyone, to the supporters for, of course, the unwavering love and support, and for the family. Sends his love, his pure love to everyone.
Kit, meron ba siyang kanang, did you hear about the situation that he was rushed to the hospital?
Yes, but he is okay. It's just his routine checkup.
Routine check.
Okay, I see.
Because
Thank you.
as you all know, he is old and not exactly in the best shape, but he's okay actually. I expected him to be more frail, but he's not. He's doing well. He's even better as compared to the first few weeks inside.
Okay.
He sounded more lively, more sharp, and ayun.
How did he feel that he didn't have any family visits for 2 weeks?
He was looking for my mother for so many times, and I had to explain to him the situation, and he understood, of course. But ayun, he was constantly reminding me to do something about it, and I reassured him that we're doing our best. But as of now, I'll be the one who will
Visit.
be
Oo.
visiting him inside. Yeah.
We're having a prayer rally for Tatay Digong tonight. I hope you can join us.
I will.
Yeah.
Ano lang kasi I'm busy with my studies.
Yeah.
Sure.
So let me just finish everything and I will be there tonight. I cannot
Okay.
promise that I'll be early, but
Sure.
I will
Sure.
try, of course, to
We'll be there.
pass by. Yes.
Kit, last question lang talaga. What's the biggest difference from the last time you visited him and right now?
I'll be honest with you, not much. I was so worried when I was in the Philippines. I was so worried that when I've been asking my siblings and the lawyers, can you tell me what to expect? Should I expect a thinner dada, a thinner papa? They kept reassuring me na he's doing good, there's no difference. And when I saw him inside, ayun nga, they were right. The only difference is he now has a long beard. It's not white,
Okay.
and he does have white colored eyebrows now. And ayun, but his hair, ayun, maarte kasi yun. So, meron siyang daily, hindi naman daily, siguro weekly hair dye. So, ayun pa rin.
Excellent.
Hindi na siya pure black, may pagka-blonde siya. So, yes.
Kit, also last question. Importante kasi ito kasi this is a very big victory for the entire Filipino people. Alam niya ba na nanalo
Sa
with
Supreme
respect sa
Court?
Supreme Court?
Yes,
Si
he
Inday
very
Sara.
happy about it. He sends his regards to my sister, and he told her that he is extremely proud of her.
Did you know na it was a unanimous Supreme Court decision?
Yes, he knows about all of that.
Yes.
And he also knows na, ayun, continuous pa rin yung rotation of visits namin dito. Pupunta sila. So, and excited siya kasi,
You're here.
ako muna, of course, for now. And,
He looks so
ayun.
beautiful, Kitty,
Thank
actually.
you.
Well, I'm sorry guys, you really have to go.
One more
Okay.
question, very last lang, Kitty. What was the first question na tinanong niya sa'yo when she saw you? When he saw you, sorry.
Actually, it wasn't a question. He said, ang laki ko na daw. In a way na
A woman,
lumapad ako. But I think
You grew taller.
he thinks that I'm taller now. Maybe it's because of the slippers I'm wearing. But kasi he was wearing flat slippers. So I think this added to my height. But ayun, he was surprised to see me. Sobrang tangkad ko na. Almost his height.
Oh.
Kasi ako yung pinakamaliit sa amin. But he was happy to see na I was growing. I mean, I'm not growing anymore, but
He knows you're here 4 times a week for him.
yes.
Yes.
Kitty, welcome back
Excellent.
to the Netherlands.
Yes,
It's good to
Welcome.
see you.
See you later.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mabuhay ka.
Bye-bye. Yan po si Kitty
Bye, Kitty.
Duterte.
Regards kung
Yes.
paano mo ina nga.
Yes,
Regards si Dulce ha.
Ako ang ingnan na gwapa kay kasi. Oo, lagi. Ako ang ingnan, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Kitty.
Thank you.
You look so pretty. My God.
You.
Saan man ang pag-achieve?
Sino may camera? Camera ka.
Thank you.
Picture din ako.
Ganda-ganda
Long
talaga.
prayers na hindi yung kanang no water.
Okay, okay.
Very
Tayo, Kitty.
Ganda-ganda mo.
It's super pretty. I love it.
Yes.
Sana makasama siya mamaya. ha? Sige, sige. Okay, bye-bye. Ayan. Okay, bye, Kitty.
Yes.
Regards. See you later. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Ah, how cute. How cute. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yan po, so narinig niyo po ang pagbisita ni Kitty Duterte sa araw nito. Oh, hi! Oh, naku, sorry. Minor. Sorry. I'm sorry. I was, talagang I avoided taking his picture. Yeah, anyway, kayo po, anong tingin niyo dun sa bisita ni Kitty?
She's so beautiful.
Yeah. Kayo po, tanong natin ang mga reaction. Kayo po, how did you react to Kitty's visit?
Surprise.
Surprise, no?
Kasi hindi ko na-expect.
Yeah.
Sandali lang, pwede ko magpa-picture.
Sure. Picture tayo. Oo, picture tayo. Yeah. Thank you.
so much.
Kayo po, how was your reaction to Kitty's visit?
Sa happy ko kay itawag ka guwapa eh.
Ay, nako.
Kung kanya din eh.
Ikaw, Hearty, how do you feel?
I'm glad na nakikita ko na naman si Guaps Kitty. Thank you very much.
Na
Yan.
okay si tatay.
And worth the trip, no? Worth the wait. Kayo po, how was your reaction to Kitty's visit?
Happy sa mga naririnig ko na para sa kay Tatay Digong. So, sa ngayon, okay na ako.
Okay ka na.
She looks very happy, eh?
Okay, yeah, she looks very happy.
Positive.
Well, anyway, mga kaibigan ha, yan na po siguro ang ating ulat ngayong araw. Mamaya po at 7 o'clock in the evening, we will have our prayer rally, 7 to 9. Kitty will be there. She confirmed that she will be there. She will try to finish her studies and she will be there. Probably not early, but it's from 7 to 9. So samahan niyo po. We'll be carrying this live together with Hearty and Pinoy in Holland and si Alvin and Tourism and sino pa ba ang mga
Boss Makabayan.
Ako si Makabayan, no? At syempre po, we believe that prayers can move mountains. And so against all odds, we will be congregating and joining each other in prayer para sa maagang pagpapalaya kay Tatay Digong.
Attorney, ano po masasabi nyo ngayon about yung sa news ngayon ni Tatay Digong for after 2 weeks yata, walang visit?
Well, syempre, I could imagine he's very, very happy to have seen the apple of his eyes, yung bunso niyang anak, no? And I'm glad that kahit paano there was joy in Tatay Digong's day today, even if it is the 150th day of his kidnapping. And I'm also very happy that Kitty will be here for the next weeks and regularly seeing Tatay Digong 4 days a week. At least alam natin na may kaligayahan si Tatay
Yes.
Digong 1
Nakita
hour.
ko rin sa face mo, you're smiling also while watching Kitty.
I'm so happy actually for Tatay Digong.
That's
Kahit
good.
paano I could imagine. Because I live also on my own here away from my family. And I could imagine nga na, I only had a day and a half to see my children in the year that I've been away from the Philippines. And those were the best moments of my life. So talagang these are precious moments for Tatay Digong na nakikita niya yung kanyang bunsong anak. So we'll see you later tonight, 7 to 9 Hague time. Nako, madaling araw na po yun sa Pilipinas, pero kung meron naman wala kayong gagawin, Tara, join us, keep vigil, and let's all pray for Tatay Digong.